that if Samlin wins, then he should be given a minister. I want to tell you, this is only the engagement that is happening now. Wedding is not taken place yet. After you give us our son-in-law to the assembly from the NPP side, you give us our son-in-law, Samlin, to come in. Then in the wedding day, we will decide on how to go forward about the cabinet. So let the wedding day come. Let him become an MLA. Let him come into our assembly. And we all will take this issue very, very seriously. But Samlin is somebody who has worked very closely with me. He is like my brother. He will tell you. I don't have to tell you. He will tell you. He's my brother. Even when he was minister and even when he was not minister. Whenever Samlin has come to me and requested me that I need this road, this Mamaram road, it is Samlin who has requested. Today, 80 crores of road you got because of him. And can you imagine? We are now planning to make this entire route into a tourism destination. This area has so much of potential for tourism you can't imagine.